When I got home from my last trip, I did a video telling you that my living room's empty and has an echo because I gave all my furniture to my niece who went back to Montana to go to school, college. So I was looking around, what was it called, Facebook Marketplace and different places to find at least a recliner to put here in the living room because all I've got is my dining room table. And I ran across a company that had recliners that have heat and the massage thing. And I read all the reviews. I did my homework. It's the Real Soft. I don't know if it's leather or pleather. And they're real squishy and comfortable. Good sized chairs. It's got the little handle thing. If I can get a hold of it. There. Wrong side. There we go. So it's got, focus. Not going to do it. Well, anyway, the right side, the red button is heat. And this side turns on the massage. And then it's got the different settings. You can put it, to massage wherever. Which would be great for my back. And it heats up really nice. You just pull this little handle and it flips back. It's got cup holders. Just what I need to hold my coffee. They're full-size chairs. They are not little guys. And then it's got a pocket on each front for other remotes, I guess for the TV or whatnot. Got a pocket on this side too. You can see it. There it is. So I got 2 of those. They are super comfortable. And I'm really glad that I got it. What else is happening? Little sparkly things all over the floor. Yeah. I don't know what it is. Oh, I bet I know what it is. That stuff that, what's it called? It keeps like the moisture, I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I want to say silica sand, but I don't think that's it. Anyway, so yeah, 2 chairs. I put one out here. Well, I had them both out here. And then decided that these chairs were way more comfortable than the chair I had in my bedroom that was an electric recliner. So I had a friend move one of the chairs back there, and then that other recliner is coming out here. Because in the wintertime, I spend most of my time in the bedroom, because that's the only part of the house that I heat. So it'll work out good having it, and it has worked out good. I like having it in there. Anyway, so yeah, that's my baby, and I really like it. It's super, super comfortable, full-size chair, and the heater works great. I love it. Anyway, what am I doing? I made spaghetti today. I'll put the link for that chair somewhere in the comments, or I'll pin it to the top of the comments. Turn a light on in here. I'm expecting a guest, and I'm sure most of you will know who he is, but I'll wait to tell you probably till the next video, or at least until he gets here. So I made spaghetti, homemade spaghetti sauce. It's got mushrooms, onions, garlic, burger, the stewed tomatoes that I made. So yeah, making a big pot of it'll either be spaghetti or lasagna. I haven't decided yet. And I started cooking it yesterday, so it's been slow cooking for a day. I think that's all I want to put in this video. There's a lot going on. Yeah, I've been canning like a wild woman. Look at this. This is hot chunky salsa. And this is another batch of the cowboy candy. Yeah, I've been busy. And I've already put some of it away. My cabinet is really filling up. I may have to put some stuff down in the basement. Getting full. And that's good. I want to have stuff kind of stocked up for the winter. Because you know me, I hate to shop. So, alright, that's it for this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.